Welcome to Soka News Channel today. Noritake develops polishing pad for GaN wafers. Noritake Co. Ltd. has successfully developed a new polishing pad specifically designed for GaN wafer polishing. This innovative product incorporates a unique composite technology of organic and inorganic materials, enabling it to maintain excellent resistance even in strongly acidic environments. This groundbreaking advancement significantly enhances polishing efficiency. The new polishing pad increases the polishing rate by approximately 30 times, dramatically shortening the overall processing time and bringing a revolutionary boost in efficiency to GaN wafer production. Concurrently, by ingeniously encapsulating the abrasive within the pad, the lifespan of the polishing pad is extended, with its durability improving by more than 15 times. Due to the embedded abrasive, this polishing pad significantly reduces or even eliminates the need for additional abrasive slurry. This not only simplifies the operational process, but more importantly, makes a substantial contribution to the reduction of industrial waste, demonstrating Noritake's commitment to sustainable development. To purchase semiconductor substrates, please visit our online store at www.sokatech.com. You can also contact us for customized services. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on important market news.